In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Don't Wanna Know by Maroon 5 featuring Kendrick Lamar. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. Oh, I don't wanna know, no, no, no. I'm taking you home, 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 home. Loving you so, 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 so. The way I used to love you, no, I don't wanna know, no, no, no. I'm taking you home, 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 home. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, you're invited to be a part of my ukulele community on Patreon. It's called the U Crew, and there you'll have access to chord charts, exclusive tutorials, and other opportunities to strum along with uke players around the world. So join the family, just click on the link in my description box below, and I hope to see you there. And finally, I would thank Enya Music for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to showcase this tenor-size Nova ukulele. It's made out of carbon fiber, so it's not going to dent, it's not going to warp in different weather conditions, it's travel friendly. It also contains these strap buttons on the side as well as a sound hole right here. It plays well on your fingers when you press down on the strings. It's affordable and it makes for a really great gift for yourself or a loved one this holiday season. So if you want to get your hands on this model, then click on the link in my description box below. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play Don't Wanna Know. And those chords are B flat major 7, C major, and D minor. Now, if you already know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is B flat major 7. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major 7. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. And the last chord for the song is D minor. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the B flat major 7 chord. 1, 2, B flat major 7, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be B flat major 7 for 1 turn of the string pattern, C major for 1 turn, and then D minor for 2 turns of the string pattern. Let's combine those elements and play it all together now. 1 and 2, B flat major 7, 2, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, C major, down, tap, down, pause, D minor, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, B flat major 7, down, tap, down, pause, C major, down, tap, down, pause, D minor, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. And now let's play that chord progression and the string pattern a little bit faster. 1 and 2 and B flat major 7, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, C major, down, tap, down, pause, D minor, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, B flat major 7, down, tap, down, pause, C major, down, tap, down, pause, D minor, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's combine it with the lyrics and play through Don't Wanna Know. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Do you think of me, of what we used to be? Is it better now that I'm not around? My friends are acting strange, they don't bring up your name. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? I don't wanna know, no, no, no. Who's taking you home, 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 home? Loving you so, 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 so. The way I used to love you, no, I don't wanna know, no, no, no. Who's taking you home, 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 home? And loving you so, 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 so. The way I used to love you, oh, I don't wanna know. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Don't Wanna Know. And that's you play Don't Wanna Know by Maroon 5 and featuring Kendrick Lamar. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to thank my friend Chance Wagonfield for supporting me on Patreon, which allows me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to consider joining the U Crew on my Patreon page, and to check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.